So hello guys, how are you all? So it's been a long time since I uploaded my last video, and the reason for that was that I went to my home, and as you all know, we all enjoy at home, so I was not able to post my videos. But now we are back on the track, so let's start. So let me tell you what all things I did. So nothing much, but I got a new project for myself, and that is the app of my club. So basically, I am in this InnoGeeks club. I am in the Android domain. So we have got a project that we have to build the app for our club. So we are right now building this app. I mean, there is a lot in here, as you can see. I'll tell you about it in much more details. Like, I think let's have a series. Yeah, we can have a series about it. Like day one of this, day two of this. So I think I'll be continuing from here. So I will be using my Android Studio. We are building it in Jetpack Compose only. This is the main activity. We'll be just using our nav host. I'll be showing it. We have a core folder here, a dependency injection, and a features folder here. And we have it this way so that in case we want to build something new in future, so we can do it very easily. So I have made a different directory for each feature. Core features have some of the features that will be repeated all over the app. Right now there are not much things, like we have this navigation host, so the bottom nav bar of our app, which is there on all the screens, so it is in here. Apart from this Android Studio, the second best thing that I'll be using for this is our anti-gravity, and we all know how awesome it is. I think I've started it using it quite a bit now, and this is really great. So I started it around 5 to 6 days back. I think, yeah, around 1 week ago, I started this project. So there is not much that I have done. So basically, I worked just one day. I'll be telling you a lot of things of how I do use this software. It is a great one if you want to wipe code your apps. Apart from that, I was just learning our Philip Lackner, the he's a famous YouTuber if you want to learn Android. Apart from that, we were also using the documentation to learn it. I mean, architecture and state, I just did till over here, and not much was done in these 10 to 11 days, I guess. So I'll be back with more videos. Till then, keep coding, keep learning, keep making, keep breaking, and keep debugging. Till then, sayonara.